Hello, welcome to part four. Now we arrive at one of the most important topics in professional content creation, brand style guides. Many people think creativity means doing whatever you want. In reality, most professional creative work happens within constraints. Brands have rules, and successful creators learn how to create inside those rules. A brand style guide explains how a company presents itself visually and verbally. Most style guides include a brand mission, tone of voice, typography, logo rules, color palette, imagery standards, and usage examples. The purpose of a style guide is consistency. Whether someone encounters a brand on Instagram, a website, a billboard, or a package, it should feel like the same brand. Consistency builds trust. Hulu provides a great example. You probably immediately recognize Hulu's bright green color. That's not an accident. Their style guide specifies exactly how colors, typography, logos, and imagery should be used. When thousands of people create content for a brand, style guides ensure everyone stays aligned. When critiquing content, avoid vague feedback. Comments like I like or I don't like are not useful. Instead, ask three questions. First, what platform is this for and does it fit that platform? Second, what is the goal of the content and does it achieve that goal? Third, what is one specific improvement that can make it better? Maybe it's more than one specific improvements. Maybe they're doing a lot right. Notice how all three questions focus on objectives rather than personal preference. Let's apply the framework. When looking at a website or an advertisement, start by identifying the platform. This is clearly a homepage for a website for the Yale School of Art. Then identify the goal. This seems like they are intending to provide as much information as they can about their program to a potential audience. They have a goal, probably, to have students apply to their program. Finally, identify a specific improvement. Consider the elements of design and principles of design. Maybe the typography lacks hierarchy. Maybe the imagery doesn't support the message. Maybe the call to action isn't very visible. Be sure when critiquing to give specific feedback that is actionable. It should include both things they're doing right and things they can improve. In your week one project, you used brainstorming. You made a storyboard and created a fractionation idea box. In week's two project, you will be building off of that. You'll be adding more details to your storyboard. You'll also be critiquing a piece of published content by a major brand. You'll be considering how it uses the principal design, the elements of design, and its application of its brand style guide. This mirrors the actual workflow used by digital marketing professionals. Congratulations on completing the Creative Concepts module. Over these 2 weeks, you've learned the foundations of professional content creation, from file formats and storyboards to design principles, typography, imagery, branding, and critique. The tools you use will change throughout your career. The principles you've learned in this module will remain valuable no matter what platform, software, and technology comes next. At this point, you're ready to complete week two assignment. Thank you.